Hey cherries, welcome back to my channel. So in case you're new here, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. So if you're new here, my name is Nyechi. I review skincare products for real people with real skincare struggle. In this video today, I will be reviewing a particular serum that I'm very sure is going to help you in your skincare journey. Some of you are aware of this product, and then of course some of you are not. That is why I'm here to help you, tell you a lot about the product, what you should really know about it. So make sure you stick around and watch the video till the end. It's very important you watch the video till the end. So the ANUA Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum was designed specifically to help fade dark spots, melasma and dullness while hydrating your skin also. So if you're somebody who is dealing with dark spots and all those things I mentioned, maybe you broke out recently and it left a dark spot on your face, probably consider purchasing this particular serum. If you're dealing with uneven skin tone, enlarged pores, redness from breakouts, this is the go-to and this is the product you should consider trying. Now let's talk about the key ingredients you can find in this product. I don't want to waste much of your time. I want to just go straight to the point. For start, it comes in this box with this. Of course, it's this color. It's kind of like a reddish pink color. Here are niacinamide 10%, tranexamic acid 4%, and alpha arbutin 2%. And as you know, in case you do not know, these are key ingredients that help your skin. The reason why this serum is pink in color or reddish pink, personally for me, I call it reddish pink. But the reason it's pink in color is because they added vitamin B12 in it. So I mean, just imagine a serum that contains tons of amazing ingredients. I mean, what more can you ask for? Mind you, this is not a sponsored review. This is coming from my personal experience. And then of course, because I am here on this channel to review products for you so that you make well-planned decisions for your skin. Of course, you do not go spending so much. You plan, you put it on a budget and you shoot. Okay? I mentioned on the packaging that if you expose the product a little bit to sunlight, it might change the color, but it does not affect the efficacy of the product. I hope that makes sense. I mentioned before, those are the key ingredients, but then again, the product goes in details, mentions quite a lot of other ingredients, and I'm going to mention my favorite on the list. Number one, they added alpha arbutin, which I love. They added jojoba seed oil. They also added grape seed oil. Then of course there is hyaluronic acid to help hydrate your skin. Then of course they added ethyl ascorbic acid, and then of course there are ceramides in it. And then of course there is a peach flower extract. Wow, quite a whole lot. Macadamia seed oil. If you're not new on this channel, you should have observed that in one of my previous videos I did mention macadamia seed oil as an ingredient that helps with your skin as well. Niacinamide helps control excessive oil, redness, and of course breakouts. Then it helps support your skin barrier. Then of course TXA, which they added 4%, strictly targets hyperpigmentation and stubborn dark spots. And of course the almighty alpha arbutin, which works hand in hand with TXA to brighten your skin, to help with uneven skin tone. And of course the hyaluronic acid and the ceramides, which do amazing jobs with your skincare barrier. But here is the tiny twist. Do you know what the twist is? This beautiful baby here, some people do not go well with high percentages of niacinamide. It might irritate you because it has high doses of niacinamide or high niacinamide percentage, 10%. It might irritate your skin for some people. It might cause breakouts for some people. You might feel a little bit sticky for some people. That is what you should know. Then it might not be ideal if already your skin barrier has been damaged. So if your skin barrier has been damaged, you have to probably think of fixing it first before you try out this product. Like I said, niacinamide is 10%. Most skin types may not tolerate 10% very well. It comes in this 30 ml bottle, dropper bottle. You have to squeeze a little bit, and then that is how it is. I prefer using this during my nighttime routine when I'm not going to be so much exposed to sunlight. But if you're using it during your daytime, you need to make sure you're applying a very, very good sunscreen. Preferably, I'll say use at night as a treatment serum. Then, of course, you definitely need to avoid some actives. Some actives are not good for combination, are not good to combine while using this product. Personally, for me, while I'm on this product, I stick to it until I'm done, and then I try something else so that I will be able to know what is irritating my skin and what is actually not irritating my skin. I hope that makes sense. What are my personal thoughts concerning the ANUA Niacinamide 10% and TXA with the TXA 4% serum? Personally, for me, I would say I love the product. It is what it does what it says it does, but however, it's not a quick fix. You have to be patient. It is like a treatment serum. What I did actually like is the fact that it felt a little bit sticky, probably because at that time my skin barrier was a little bit irritated, or my skin was a little bit irritated. I didn't like the feeling that it was sticky on my face, but it is odorless. It doesn't have any fragrance, which makes it also good for a sensitive skin. However, with every skincare product, you need to be patient. You need to be patient while waiting for your result. I know you guys will say rate it, rate it, rate it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a 7 over 10. The tranexamic acid and the alpha arbutin is really the boost here. So I must say it is worth your money. Then of course it's a bit pricey. When I got mine, it was around 18,500 naira as of the time of purchase. I don't know how much it is now, so do let me know in the comment section where you're purchasing yours from and how much it is. Of course, I would love to review more products from this brand because I feel like this Korean skincare brand is amazing. Before I forget, ANUA is a Korean skincare product. Yes. Although they have website, they have branches in the US, I think stores probably, but it is a Korean, and you guys know that I love Korean skincare products. Korean skincare brands, where are you guys? You guys should just send me products, please. But by the way, before you guys come at me, I purchased this with my hard-earned money. Please don't come at me and say, oh, you're saying this and that because maybe the company sponsored you to talk about it. No, this is my own personal opinion. This is my own personal review, and I'm sharing it with you guys so that, you know what I experienced, right? Okay, then one more thing. I think a little of it entered my mouth while I was, it's a little bit bitter. So try not to get it close to your mouth or your lips. Yes. Anyway, tell me, over here, down here, you could get the expiry date. Tell me, have you used this before? Is this a product that you want to purchase? What was your experience if you tried it before? Let me know down the comment section. I'll see you in another video, and don't forget that God loves you more than I do. Stay well and stay blessed.